Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to use Instagram Meta AI Studio, the all-in-one platform to create, manage, and optimize your AI-powered experiences across Instagram and other Meta platforms. Whether you're a content creator, a brand, or just curious about what Meta AI Studio can do, this video will walk you through everything step by step. No tech skills required. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is Meta AI Studio? So what exactly is Meta AI Studio? Meta AI Studio is Meta's platform that lets you create and manage AI experiences, such as chatbots, auto-replies, and even immersive AI assistants on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. Think of it as a toolkit to build smarter, more responsive digital interactions without writing a single line of code. For Instagram users, it means you can build AI chatbots for your business DMs, train assistants to handle common questions, and personalize the experience for your audience. Section 2. Setting up Meta AI Studio. First things first, how do you access Meta AI Studio? Open your web browser and go to meta.ai/studio. Log in using the Facebook account that's connected to your Instagram business or creator account. Once logged in, you'll land on your Meta Business dashboard. From here, click on AI Studio in the left-hand menu. If this is your first time, Meta might prompt you to link your Instagram account to a Meta Business account. Just follow the instructions. It takes about 2 minutes. Section 3. Creating your first. Now that you're in, it's time to create your first AI assistant. Click the Create button in the top right corner. You'll be asked to choose a platform. Since we're focusing on Instagram, select Instagram direct messages. Next, give your AI a name. This is what users will see when they interact with your AI, so keep it relevant and friendly, like Ask Bella or Shop Help AI. You'll also be asked to choose a persona type. This sets the tone and style of your AI's responses. For businesses, you can choose professional, friendly, or even create a custom tone. Section 4. Defining AI behavior. Here comes the fun part, defining how your AI behaves. Meta AI Studio uses a concept called behaviors to help you define what your assistant can do. For example, you can create behaviors like answer FAQs, provide business hours, recommend products, share links, start a return process, greet new followers. To add a behavior, click Add Behavior and choose a type. You can either use preset templates or create custom ones. Each behavior has a trigger and a response. The trigger is what the user says, like "What are your hours?" And the response is what your AI will say in return. You can create multiple triggers per behavior to cover different phrasings. For example, "Are you open today?" "When do you close?" "What are your hours?" All of these can point to the same response. Section 5. Training your AI. Once you've set up a few behaviors, it's time to train your AI. Go to the Training tab. This is where Meta will show you conversations that your AI might not know how to handle and give you a chance to improve. You can review past interactions, adjust triggers, fine-tune responses, and even mark if the AI should escalate the question to a human. The more you review and improve, the smarter your AI gets. Section 6. Personalizing responses. Meta AI Studio allows you to add personalization tokens to your responses. For example, instead of just saying, "Hi, how can I help you?" you can say, "Hi," then the username, "How can I help you today?" These tokens automatically pull in information from the user's Instagram profile, like their first name, username, or location. This makes the interaction feel more human and personalized. You can also include emojis, links, and quick reply buttons to make the conversation more interactive. Section 7. Using quick replies. Quick replies are a great way to guide the conversation. Instead of forcing users to type, you can offer buttons like "See Hours," "Talk to Support," "Browse Products." Each button acts like a trigger for a specific behavior, making it easier and faster for users to get the help they need. To add quick replies, go into a response and click Add Quick Reply at the bottom. This helps prevent confusion and keeps users on track. Section 8. Adding media. Want to make your responses more visual? Meta AI Studio lets you attach images, videos, and links to your AI replies. For example, if someone asks about a product, your AI can reply with a carousel of product images, along with prices and purchase links. To add media, just click Add Media when editing a response and upload or link the file. Make sure your media is mobile-friendly, since most users will interact on their phones. Section 9. Testing your AI. Before going live, you'll want to test your AI to make sure it works smoothly. In Meta AI Studio, click the Test button in the top menu. This opens a simulation of an Instagram DM conversation. Here, you can try different questions, test buttons, and preview media to ensure everything feels natural and helpful. If something doesn't work as expected, just go back and tweak your behavior settings or training data. Section 10. Publishing and going live. Ready to launch? Once you're satisfied with the testing, click Publish in the top right corner. Your AI assistant is now live on your Instagram account. When users message your account, your assistant will start handling conversations based on the behaviors you created. Don't worry, you can still jump into conversations manually, and your AI can even hand over the chat to you when needed. Section 11. Monitoring and analytics. After going live, it's important to track performance. Head over to the Analytics tab in Meta AI Studio. Here you'll see total conversations handled, user satisfaction ratings, most common questions, drop-off points, human handover rates. This data helps you refine your AI, spot issues, and continuously improve the user experience. You can even set alerts for specific keywords, like angry or cancel, to notify your team in real time. Section 12. Best practices. Here are a few best practices to keep in mind. Keep responses short and friendly. Nobody likes long blocks of text. Use visuals where helpful. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Test regularly. Update your AI based on user feedback and new trends. Don't over-automate. Let your AI handle FAQs, but allow human help when needed. Stay on brand. Make sure your AI speaks in a tone consistent with your business voice. Following these tips will help you create an assistant that actually adds value, not one that frustrates your audience. Section 13. Use case ideas. Need some inspiration? Here are a few ways creators and businesses are using Meta AI Studio on Instagram. E-commerce shops use it to recommend products, answer sizing questions, and provide order tracking links. Content creators use it to direct followers to new videos, courses, or event signups. Restaurants use it to take reservations and share their latest menu. Coaches and consultants use it to pre-qualify leads and book discovery calls. The possibilities are endless, and Meta is constantly adding new features to make it even more powerful. Section 14. Troubleshooting. Having trouble? Here are a few common issues beginners run into. AI not responding. Check if your behaviors are published and that your triggers are clear. Wrong replies? Review your triggers. Sometimes the phrasing might be too broad or conflicting. User complaints? Add a quick Talk to Human button in every major flow. Messages not being delivered? Check your Instagram DM settings and permissions. Still stuck? You can access the Meta Support Center directly from the Studio dashboard. And that's it. Your beginner's guide to using Instagram Meta AI Studio. Now you know how to access the platform, build a conversational AI, personalize replies, add media and quick replies, test, publish, and optimize your assistant. Whether you're running a business or growing your creator brand, Meta AI Studio gives you the power to scale your communication and deliver faster, smarter service, right inside Instagram DMs. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future updates. Stay creative, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next one.